There's this thing that happens after you lose someone. In the beginning, people show up, they call, they check in, they ask how you're doing, and they actually wait for an answer. And then, slowly, they stop. Life moves on for everyone else, and somehow the world starts to feel like your grief has an expiration date. Like at some point, you're supposed to be done with it, over it, ready to turn the page and never look back. But what if turning the page doesn't mean forgetting? What if there are more chapters to explore? That's why I'm here. Life, my name is Kara, and this is This New Chapter. This channel is about grief, about loss, about what it looks like to rebuild a life after the person you built it with is no longer here. It's about navigating the firsts, the ones you can see coming, and the ones that ambush you on an ordinary afternoon when you thought you were just out taking photographs. It's about the long, quiet aftermath that nobody really prepares you for. It's about figuring it out, not from the other side, not with a 10-step plan, but in real time, honestly, together. I'm not a therapist, I'm not a grief counselor, I'm not a guru with all the answers. I'm someone who's lived this, who's still living it, and who believes the most powerful thing one person can say to another in a time like this is simply, I know, me too. Keep going. 8 years ago, I lost my husband, Tony. He was my best friend, the love of my life, my person. Tony was Irish with a heavy Irish brogue, and like the Gemini he was, simultaneously quiet and stoic and rambunctious and with an enormous personality. He was the kind of man who would get up in front of a crowded bar and sing with the band without a moment's hesitation. He was the kind of man who would buy me a heart-shaped jelly donut in a greasy paper bag for Valentine's Day. And I loved him with everything I had. When he passed in that second week of January, 8 years ago, I didn't know who I was anymore. Not because I'd lost myself in him, but because so much of my life, our Sundays, our traditions, our plans for the year ahead, was woven through with him. And suddenly, I was there alone, and he wasn't. And I had to figure out what came next. I'm still trying to figure it out. And this channel is a part of that. Nobody told me about the expiration date. The way the world gives you a certain amount of time to grieve before it quietly expects you to be okay again. Nobody told me about the ambushes. The Sunday brunch spot you can no longer walk past. The movie you buy 2 tickets for because you're not ready to let a stranger sit in his seat. Nobody told me that grief isn't linear. That 8 years on, you can still find yourself standing outside a pub on Pearl Street with your hand on the doorknob and tears already forming before you even walk in. Nobody told me how lonely it would get. Not the acute loneliness of the early days, but the quiet, persistent loneliness of being the only one carrying something that the rest of the world has already moved on from. I didn't have anyone to tell me that what I was feeling was normal, that I wasn't broken, that I was just grieving. Really, fully, messily grieving. And I want to be that person for someone else. This new chapter exists because turning the page doesn't mean forgetting. It means you're still here, still moving, still finding out who you are on the other side of the hardest thing you've ever been through. This isn't a channel about getting over it. It's a channel about getting through it. There are no gurus here, no transformational promise, no highlight reel of healing. Just honest conversation, real moments, and a community of people who understand what it means to love someone deeply and to keep loving them even after they're gone. If you've lost someone, a partner, a parent, a friend, anyone who's woven into the fabric of your everyday life, this is for you. You're not behind, you're not broken, you're not too much. You're grieving, and you don't have to do it alone. I post new videos every other Wednesday. Each one is a dispatch from inside the process. What I'm learning, what's still hard, what's helping a little. And I want to hear from you too. Tell me where you are, tell me what you're carrying, tell me what you need. This isn't a channel where I talk and you listen. This is a place where we figure it out together. I'm glad you're here. This is This New Chapter. Thank you for watching. You're not alone. See you in the next chapter.